What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw Teslo from the Mixels. So the first thing we want to do is start at the very top center of our page and draw a circle for the eye. So we'll start in the center, the very top. We're just going to work our way around towards the bottom of the circle. And then go back up along the right towards the top. Now in the center of that circle we're going to draw an oval. Starting from the top in the middle, work our way around towards the bottom of the oval. And then back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw a smaller oval on the inside. Let's fill that outer ring in black. Let's go up to the top of the head. Over on the left side, we're going to draw a straight line going up towards the top. Now we're going to angle down and out towards the left. Now from here we're going to bend out the side of the head, going out and then down towards the lower jaw. Now from here we want to step up and draw a curve going down underneath the eye and then up on the right side. You want to angle up and in behind the side of the eye. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight angle line going up and out, and we'll pull that down in behind the eye. Let's add the trim along the side of the head. Starting on the left, curve up and then in behind the eye, step down and draw that twice. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the lower jaw. Starting on the left, we're going to step out and do an overlap, curving down and then up on the right. And back on the left, we're going to curve down and then in. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing, curving down and then in towards the same height. We're going to connect the bottoms of the jaw with a straight line from left to right. Let's go back up and add some teeth. Starting on the right, angle down and in. And we'll pull that back up, almost like a V. Do that 2 more times. Going down and up, and then one last time. And then from the side of the tooth, we're just going to curve down and out the back side of the jaw. Let's add in the tongue. We step over, angle up in between the 2 fangs, and draw an angle line coming all the way across towards the left. Now we're going to tuck the body in underneath the jaw. So over on the left side, curve down and then in. I'm going to go over towards the right and go in the opposite direction, towards the same height. And close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to move down and draw on the feet. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to start with a straight line from left to right. And leave a gap and draw that same length line. Let's go back to the inside, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the feet. Then we go over towards the left, we're going to curve out and down about halfway. Down to right about there, and pull a straight line coming in towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go halfway along this line, and curve out and then down towards the same height that we have on the inside. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and then back up. And then from the left side, we're going to step up and draw a straight line going out, and we're going to curve that up and in towards the side of the leg. Now let's move over towards the right. Starting from the inside, we're going to draw a straight line coming down to right about there. We're going to draw an angled line coming out and then down towards the toe. Now from the toe, I'm going to curve this up and then in, and draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the foot. Now from the top, I'm going to draw a straight line going out. I want to go a little bit further than this top line. Pull this out to right about there. And we'll connect the top and bottom with a curve going out and then down. And then again, we're going to find the halfway point along this line. Follow that same curve that we have on the inside down to right about there. Connect the inside to the outside with an angled line. And then from that tip, we're going to step up draw another angle line going out, and we'll connect the top and bottom with a curve. Let's connect the body to the feet. On the left side, underneath the body, we draw a straight angled line coming down towards the foot, step in, draw that twice. Let's go over to the right side. On the body, we'll angle down and out, step over, and draw that twice. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left. Starting right here, we're going to curve out and then down towards the wrist. Draw a straight line going out towards the outside of the arm. Now I'm just going to taper the arm so it gets narrower as we come back in behind the jaw. I'm just going to pull that in. And then from the outside of the wrist, we're going to draw a curve going out and then just pulling that in on both sides. Then we'll draw a short angle line going up and in. And then we're going to connect the top with an oval, going around for the top and back on the inside. Let's separate out the shoulder. Starting from the top, draw an angle line coming down. Now I want to take that and flip it over on the right side. So we start on the side of the body, curve out and then down towards the same height. Draw a straight angle line going out, and then we'll taper that back up and then in behind the jaw. And then we're going to draw on the hands. Starting from the wrist, curve in and then out. Do the same thing on the outside. Draw two short lines coming in. Then again, we're going to connect these 2 points with an oval. Now I'm going to add that tail over on the left side, coming down underneath the arm and then back up underneath the body. So we start with the tip of the tail first. Starting up here, curve around the arm and then in behind the leg. I want to continue this curve up here, going up underneath the body. Let's go back to the tip. Just going to flatten this off. Now we're just going to trace that same curve going back up. I want to try to leave an even space gap all the way back in and in between the legs underneath the body. Let's separate out the tip of the tail with a straight line. Let's add some electricity around the tip of the tail. Starting from the top on the left, go out with a straight line, in, out, and then back up and in. Now we're just going to work our way back in towards the tail. So from the top, we're just going to taper this out, and we're just going to follow these angled lines going all the way back in. And let's draw the inside. From the tip, step down, and go in and up, out. Do that one more time. Going in and then out. And then again, we're just going to work on the inside, just tapering that in, and just following those angled lines all the way back down, and in behind the tail. And that's pretty much it. There's Teslo from the Mixels. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.